Kit up time. Hello, welcome back. Today we're about to kit up this baby we unboxed in our last video. First thing first, I should make myself a correction. This tube is actually 37 inches long. So last time I said it's about 67, I lied. In case you want to ship one of these kits domestically to one of the lady you group order with, that might be the stuff you want to know. All right, next thing is let's talk about the drills. As I said, it has 220 colors. It's obviously not sustainable to try to work them all out of baggies because, you know, baggies break, they can get annoying. So I've been experimenting this week about how I want to kit them up. I did some homework. I watched a bunch of videos of other ladies working on Diamond Painting Deutschland kits, and I've been wondering, how do I want to do this? So I experimented with some of my drills, and here I present a possibly super nerdy engineer's way of trying to kit up these colors. But first, I am pretty excited to show you that I scored all of these kits at Hobby Lobby today. My boyfriend and I went there together. He's the birthday boy. So I let the birthday boy pick out what kits we should get today. All of them are 40 to 60% off. I think this Henelin is discontinued because it was a limited edition. And this one is Crystal Lake Cabin. So without further ado, let's get into kitting these up babies. Step 1. I use the handheld scanner we have at home to scan the sticker sheets. You can use whatever scanner you have at home or just take a picture with your cell phone. Step 2. I took screenshots of one row on the sticker sheets from the digital format. I then put it into the document I just created. I used the insert function to insert a table of 8x1. And I input the names of the symbols as I would call them out in my head if I see them on the canvas. This way, the symbols become searchable by text, because for example, the first symbol is simply .left V. I did this process for every single row on the sticker sheets, such that all the symbols are now searchable by text. So whenever I see a symbol on the canvas and I felt like it's hard to find it in my giant sea of symbols, I would just input the symbol name, hit Ctrl F, and I'll be able to locate the symbol on this sheet, which has a DMC number right below. The process of making a digital copy of the sticker sheet and naming the symbols took me about 45 minutes. But here's the step 3, pouring the actual drills into my Tic Tac containers. On the time lapse here, it probably looks like only 30 seconds, but in reality, it took me over 6 hours over the span of 2 days, amongst other life things, you know? Some of the colors definitely could not fit into these tiny containers, so I also deployed the drill bags tray I printed to keep the rest of the drills of those colors in their original bags. My daily go-to is still the 3-tier box of the Tic Tacs, but whenever any of the colors run out, I will check there for refills. Well, I obviously spent hours kitting these up. There are 220 colors, so even if each color only take me 1 minute, this is gonna take me at least 3 hours. And I spent all this time thinking about how I can make them more organized, and you know, sometimes they spill, sometimes you got lots of statics, things like that, the usual drill, you know. So yeah, there we have it. They are kit up in this kit. Let's just give the method a little try to show you what I have in mind, and we can put them some dots. So let's see. I really like this purple color here that has a bow tie, so let's search it. Let's put it into this document that I have that digitize the names, and let's see. It's DMC color 160. Well, must be on the top layer. Oh yeah, it's right here. So here we have it, 160, the bow tie. Took me like 5 seconds to find the color, which I'm pretty pleased with. At the very least, it makes me feel that it's relatively stress-free to find what color I need. So shall we put down some dots? Well, there you have it. This is my method of how I kit up 220 color kits, possibly over-engineered by an engineer. I have heard that Diamond Painting Deutschland used the same symbol for the same color across different kits. I haven't verified that, but if in any luck I manage to finish this kit in a few months, I'll definitely be ordering quite a few more Josephine Wall kits that are already on my wish list, and we will maybe be able to reuse these containers that I've already kitted up. And if any of you has also felt like you wanted to work on a large kit like this, whimsical, pretty from Josephine Wall or the like, but you had always felt it might be intimidating to do all these colors, I hope you found this video helpful. I will put the link to the document I created for this specific kit down in the description below. If you want to reuse it, feel free to make a copy. You can rename what the symbol you might call them, such that it's easier for you when you try to search for them. And yeah, let me know how you found this method. For those who watched until the very end, there's a reason I picked up 2 of the snack size kit. It is this little Christmas tree right here by a sub-brand by Diamond Dots. I am very thankful for how the last video of doing the unboxing went, the support and encouragement that you guys have given me. So I think I'll be doing a giveaway when I reach about 300 subscribers. If you are interested in hearing more about this kit, find this video interesting, please like and subscribe, all the YouTube usual things. And let me know in the comments down below about your experience of working on a large kit like this, how you like them, how you have kitted up, and all that jazz. With that being said, I will see you next time. Bye!